Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making coconut shrimp. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of shredded sweetened coconut, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, canola oil for frying, and sweet chili sauce for dipping. In a bowl, combine your flour, salt, pepper, and onion powder and mix until well combined. In another bowl, combine the coconut and breadcrumbs and mix until well combined. Now lightly beat your eggs. Dredge the shrimp in the flour, then the egg, then the breadcrumb mixture, then place them on a wire rack. Heat the oil to 350 degrees, then fry your shrimp for 2 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. After 2 minutes, remove them from the pot, then place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.